Hi friends, today we are going to talk about anything related with Vim 7.5 and above. So when we are trying to forward item from one role to another, like requisitioner to POEP processor and all those things, there is an option where we have to open comments and do this. But with this automation I am showing, that will be done automatically. Okay, so whenever you hit the button, the pop-up for entering comments will show up, so that will save you like 4 or 5 clicks. Okay, so I'm going here selection by contents, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this. So first of all, let me delete this is not the constant value I want. It would be constant. Okay, so here constant, and I put this value. Okay, refer com requisition requester, and this needs to be X. So if you set this flag as X, so whenever you are going to hit the refer button, the pop-up option for entering comments will show up. This is very very essential, and it will save you at least 3 4 clicks per referral, and the client will be very happy. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.